Hey guys, today I'm filming my 5th update for my Project 10 Pan Sample Edition. If you guys have not seen any of my other updates, I'll have my playlist linked up in the cards. I'm going to start by reviewing the items that I finished, and then I will talk about the items that I'm still working on, as well as the items that are new to me. I like to do those in the order that I apply them, but in the description box I will have everything separated by finished, in progress, and new items. So I am going to jump right into the reviews. The first thing I had finished is the First Aid Beauty Skin Rescue Deep Cleanser with Red Clay that is supposed to remove excess oils, unclog pores, and purify. I was all the way down here at the last update, so I knew this one would be finished off. I wasn't impressed by this one, and I really thought I would be. Now, this is an older sample, so maybe that has something to do with it, but I felt like it was really like kind of like a more of a thicker jelly consistency, which I didn't like. It felt kind of goopy, and I didn't really enjoy the consistency of it. My face didn't feel super clean or fresh afterwards. It wasn't a bad product, but I felt like it did nothing for me. So let me know if it's because it's old that happened. Let me know if it's actually done something for you, but this is not something I would repurchase. I've tried quite a few other drugstore and high-end cleansers that I think do more for me, or I like the way they make my skin feel better than this one, so I wouldn't repurchase that. Then I have the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. I was right here at my last update, and this product actually pumps up, so this is how much I had left to use. And I did like this serum. It was a nice lightweight consistency, and it wasn't overly hydrating. I don't really get serums. I think they're just supposed to give you a little bit more hydration to your skin, and I've had some where I really like the consistency, others not so much. I did like the consistency of this one. I do actually have another sample of this that I'll be happy to use up, but I don't foresee myself buying this in the future. If you guys have used a serum and you feel like it's amazing, or you feel like one has stood out past all the others, or it actually does something for you, let me know in the comments, please. I don't really know that much about skincare. I just know what things work for me, don't work, or I like the way they feel. The other thing I finished is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I was here at my last update, and it is now finished off. This was my night serum. It's fine. I don't really notice anything from this. I think if I would just use my moisturizer and then on a different night use a serum and moisturizer, I wouldn't have noticed a difference. This is so popular. Tons of people bought this when I worked at Estee Lauder, and I don't know, I just don't see a difference. But again, maybe it's because I have 25-year-old skin, so let me know your thoughts. The next thing I finished was the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-Hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. I was right here at my last update. Now it is all used up. This has a little bit of a tacky feeling on the skin. It doesn't sink in completely, except for like a little while later. This was fine, but I do prefer the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense I used up in my last update. I like the gel consistency of that one better. It really sunk into my skin, moisturized well. I was using both of these as a night moisturizer, and I would pick that one over this one, but I actually do have another sample of this that I will use up as well. Then I finished the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I don't think this really did anything at all. It didn't even hydrate much. It was a little tiny bit sticky of a residue. This just did absolutely nothing, so I would not recommend or repurchase that. The other thing I finished up was the little perfume sample of the Juicy Couture of Viva La Juicy, which is one of my all-time favorite fragrances. I do have the full size of this now. I found it for a really good price on clearance at TJ Maxx, so I have that used up. Then I have two items I'll be tossing. The first is the Farmacy Honey Savior All-in-One Skin Repair Salve. This is so greasy. It did not sink into my skin until like hours later, and at night, I know screens are bad, blah, 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 but I usually watch YouTube videos on my phone to help me fall asleep, and I did not want to get this gunk all over my phone. I used it once or twice and was like, no thank you, so that is going in the trash. The other item is the Benefit It's Potent Eye Cream. This has a 6-month shelf life, and I've only had it for about a month, but I think this sample, when I had received it, was already quite a bit older, and this smells. Yeah, it just smells kind of off, and I was using it anyway, but my eyes were watering really badly, which has definitely happened to me with eye creams that have a fragrance. So I will be cleaning this out and keeping the jar because it's so cute. And unfortunately, I really didn't even get to test this out much to see what the formula is like because I just could not get past the scent or the fact that it made my eyes water. So based on my experience, it isn't something that I would purchase, but I can't exactly judge it fairly. So then we have all of my new items as well as the things that I'm still working on. I actually have 11 different product categories here. I figured I would just add in a few more things. I have one hair product, one body product, and the rest are all skincare. My one hair product is the Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock Instant Shine and Repair Treatment. I've used this probably 5 or 6 times so far as a deep conditioner in the shower. I've really been enjoying it. It makes my hair super smooth and soft, and the smell is amazing. So I am quite enjoying using that. Then I've got 2 products here for makeup removal. The first is a foil sample of the Boscia Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. I don't like cleansing oils, but I want to use up this sample. And I also have the Too Faced Mascara Melt Off Cleansing Oil Waterproof Mascara Dissolver. I've used up one of these in the project before. I really did enjoy this, and I just want to finish that up. So those are one little category there. Next thing I have is my cleanser. I have been using the Philosophy Purity. I'm all the way down here. This used to be one of my favorite cleansers, and I do really like it because it is very nice and gentle, but I prefer cleansers that are a little bit more minty or feel like a freshness, and I don't quite get that freshness from this. I am enjoying using this. I do like it, and I have a couple other minis, but I don't see myself buying this again in the future because I just have other things I prefer better now. And then I have a daytime and nighttime serum I'll be adding in. For the daytime, I have the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. I haven't tried too much from Murad, but I know it's a really great skincare brand, so I'm excited for that. And then for my nighttime serum, I have the Philosophy Time in a Bottle, 100% in control. Resist, Renew, Repair Serum. So we will see just this little squeezy tube there. So those are going to be my serums. For my daytime moisturizer, somehow the Boscia Revitalizing Black Hydration Gel is still holding on. This is where I was at my last update. I tried to squeeze it out, and there's so much air in here, it propels all the products out. I know that if I got to the point where I cut this out, it would be empty because of all the air in here, which I love because I'm getting everything out of this. I feel like I'm all the way at the very end, so this should be done within, I would think, 3 or 4 uses, so I'll review it for you guys next month. And of course, I haven't touched the item I added in as a replacement last month yet. It is the Ole Henriksen Counterbalance Oil Control Hydrator. So whenever I finish up the Boscia, I will start using this one. Then for my nighttime moisturizer, I'm using the Benefit Total Moisture Facial Cream. This one has a 12-month expiration, and this one does not stink. It actually has a really pleasant scent. And as you can see, I do have a really good dip in this, but it might take me 2 more months to have this finished up, but we will see. I am really enjoying that one. I just got 2 little moisturizer samples in my Ulta order. They're little foil samples, so I figured I would go ahead and throw them in instead of sticking them in my drawer. So I have the Clinique Moisture Surge Hydrating Supercharged Concentrate. Seriously, how many Moisture Surge moisturizer-esque products are there? So I don't know what the difference is, but I'm going to use that. It says a gel, so that makes me think I could do it in the day, but then the fact of like supercharged concentrate makes me think at night just to be safe. And the other one is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I'm going to use that at night as well. So those should definitely be finished off next month, and I can let you know my thoughts on those. I think it would be nice to add in a couple of foil samples because I have so many mostly new samples that I'll be working on, and I want to have some updates every month. And then I have the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. Been using this morning and night. It's pretty good. I'm not in love with this like I thought I would be with how much I love the Moisture Balm and the Aqua Balm, but I do think this is good. I'm enjoying it, and it doesn't make my eyes water like the Benefit was doing. Then I have these 2 products. The GlamGlow Super Mud Clearing Treatment, I haven't used it once, and the Skin Ink Pure Revival Peel, which I also haven't used once. you guys know I can't do anything above the basics. So I need to make myself use both of these twice by next month. That is my goal. I need to do it. I need to do it because this one expires in December and I'm not sure about this one. I need to use those up. I need to. My skin will thank me. I know it will. And then my one body product is this little weird sample of the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. I have a little mini I got in a Sephora play box, so I want to go ahead and use this up. I do like the scent of this, but it's a little strong for me, but it is really nice and moisturizing. So even though I don't hardly ever reach for lotion, I want to use this because I was so excited when I got this in a Sephora order, because you guys know how it goes. You pick out your samples, you get your package, and you never get the samples you asked for. So I was really excited when I actually got what I chose. So guys, those are all of the items I'll be working on for the next month and the reviews on the things that I did finish. I would love to know your thoughts on any of these products, as well as what is your favorite serum and what do you like about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.